After generative AI, this is probably the biggest IT news of the year. Cisco systems are all set to buy Splunk for about 28 billion US dollars or around 44 billion Australian dollars. This is Cisco's biggest ever deal to strengthen its software business and take advantage of AI. The deal is the biggest technology transaction of this year 2023. Cisco is primarily trying to get out of its networking pigeonhole. This new deal will help reduce Cisco's reliance on its massive networking equipment business and broaden its reach for sure. Splunk is very well known for its strength in the arena of data observability, which helps companies monitor their systems for cybersecurity risks and other threats. Many large enterprises use Splunk, and it's very popular in government sector, especially in Australia. Canberra, the capital of Australia, is full of Splunk, I must say. Anyway, both Cisco and Splunk, the two companies, have held merger talks in the past, and there have been a lot of media rumors, but these discussions or rumors fell apart all every time in the past. But this time, it seems they have pulled it off. Cisco offered 157 US dollar in cash for each share of Splunk, representing a 31% premium to the company's last closing price. Cisco already has a data security partnership with Splunk, whose more than 15,000 customers include many prominent companies such as Coca-Cola, Intel, and Porsche. Splunk is already very expensive, as you might know, and we know that Cisco's equipment is also not that cheap. What would this mean for Splunk licensing, as other competitors like Datadog, New Relic, Dynatrace, and various others are also very nimble in this AI arena? I'm very keen to learn about your thoughts about this merger and acquisition. Please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.